the Mercedes-Benz GLC isn't built in just one factory. Instead, it's the result of a highly integrated global manufacturing network that allows Mercedes-Benz to produce one of its best-selling luxury SUVs efficiently while maintaining the same premium quality across every market. At the heart of this network is the Bremen plant in Germany, the official lead production facility for the GLC family. This historic factory has become the benchmark for Mercedes-Benz manufacturing, assembling not only the GLC SUV and GLC Coupe, but also the brand new all-electric GLC. What makes the Bremen plant particularly impressive is its advanced mixed production system. Rather than operating separate assembly lines for different powertrains, Mercedes-Benz has created a flexible manufacturing process where fully electric models, plug-in hybrids, mild hybrids, and conventional combustion engine vehicles are all built on the very same production line inside Hall 9. Imagine watching dozens of GLCs moving down the assembly line. One vehicle may receive a high-capacity battery pack, the next a plug-in hybrid drivetrain, and another a traditional gasoline or diesel engine. Every vehicle follows the same production flow, allowing Mercedes-Benz to rapidly adjust manufacturing volumes based on customer demand without the need for expensive dedicated factories. This flexibility has become one of Mercedes-Benz's greatest competitive advantages as the automotive industry transitions toward electrification. But Germany isn't the only place where the GLC comes to life. Across the Atlantic, Mercedes-Benz has significantly expanded production at its Tuscaloosa plant in Alabama, USA. This world-class facility plays a critical role in supplying the North American market, while also supporting exports to selected international destinations. Producing the GLC closer to customers helps reduce transportation costs, shorten delivery times, and improve supply chain efficiency. It also allows Mercedes-Benz to respond much faster to changing demand in one of its largest SUV markets. Although production is spread across multiple continents, Mercedes-Benz applies identical manufacturing standards throughout its global network. Every body panel, drivetrain, electronic system, and interior component must meet the same strict quality requirements, regardless of whether the vehicle is assembled in Germany or the United States. For the new electrified GLC models, another important part of the production story begins hundreds of kilometers away in Kamenz, Germany. This is home to Mercedes-Benz's Accumulative Battery Plant, where advanced lithium-ion battery systems are manufactured specifically for the latest generation of electric vehicles. These battery packs utilize cutting-edge 800-volt electrical architecture, allowing the electric GLC to deliver significantly faster charging speeds, improved efficiency, and stronger overall performance compared with previous EV generations. Once completed, the battery packs are transported directly to the Bremen assembly plant, where they are integrated into the vehicle during final production. This close coordination between battery manufacturing and vehicle assembly ensures exceptional quality control while maximizing production efficiency. Behind every GLC is an incredibly complex international supply chain. Thousands of components arrive at the assembly plant in carefully synchronized deliveries every day. Sophisticated robotics perform high-precision welding and body construction, while skilled technicians oversee critical assembly operations, quality inspections, and final testing before each vehicle leaves the factory. Every completed GLC then undergoes extensive quality verification, ensuring that every electronic system, safety feature, suspension component, and powertrain performs exactly as Mercedes-Benz engineers intended. The result is a manufacturing system that combines German engineering, American production capacity, and advanced battery technology into one seamless global operation. Rather than building separate factories for electric vehicles, Mercedes-Benz has invested in flexible production that can manufacture combustion, hybrid, and fully electric vehicles side by side. This strategy not only improves efficiency but also prepares the company for the rapidly changing demands of the global automotive market. The Mercedes-Benz GLC is therefore much more than a luxury SUV. It represents the future of intelligent automotive manufacturing, a future where global production, advanced automation, and flexible assembly lines work together to deliver premium vehicles for customers around the world.